In SAMMY, you're typically doing your assessments through this interface with, on the left side, the different categories, and on the main screen, the questions. Here you may have the quality criteria of the different questions, and thus you may be filling out the questions as you go along. But maybe you have already done the assessment and you quickly want to upload it. Of course, you can upload it with the Excel sheet, but if you have it somewhere else, you can also do bulk actions, and then you can answer a lot of questions all at once in one single screen. This can accelerate the filling out of assessments with bulk assessments in SAMMY. My name is Dag Flasche. I'm here to help you with any questions around SAMMY, OWASP SAM, OWASP DSUM, or any of the other frameworks in SAMMY.